Hi guys, I'm Praveen. So before entering into the class, I want to share you something about the course. So we are going to learn about HTML, CSS, JavaScript from the scratch. So at the end of the course, you will develop a beautiful website. So without any delay, let's start our class. Here, HTML is the hypertext markup language. So it's a markup coding language. With the help of this, we can develop the static pages. So by using this, we can browse how can display all the things like images, text, headings and all. So what software we should install to code this program? So my suggestion is anyone can install like Visual Studio, Notepad or anyone else we can install. So here I am using Visual Studio which will help you to code easy and interesting. Okay. Before that I wanna show something. Let's see it. Here is a website called Book My Show. It is used for booking tickets online. Here we can see the source code of this website. Click left button and press view source code. Yeah, this is the lines of code of Book My Show website. You can also see in your laptop of any website. So check once and view this code. So open any website and view source code. If you fail, okay, try again and do this. So bye, see you in the next video. Bye bye.